Watch that stick behind you.
Oh, that looked right on line and just a little short.
That was Murray shooting. I'm ready. Murray firing 8-ounce STP. Oof. Where'd it go?
Still coming down. Just behind. Good line.
Awesome. Nice. Missed the last shot long over the top by maybe 1.5 feet, 2 feet, maybe 2 feet. All right, here we go. We're gonna hit it this time. Yeah, okay, ready when you are. Hit. Send it. Oh, coming down. Maybe in the street. I didn't see it hit, but it looked like it was going towards the street.
Went a few feet to the left.
To the left of the target?
Distance was good.
Need the clamp, the ball.
Okay, that's a really massive adjustment.
Yeah, I don't. I've got 2 ways to check my scope. That's it, right there. Send it. Hold on.
Change shot 4 with the 8-ounce STP. Kind of going right. Come on, left. Up. Up.
Should have listened to the artilleryman.
All right, shot 6 with the 8-ounce STP. Send it. Ooh, that's online. That's good. Oh, that's right online. Oh, maybe a foot off.